everyone, welcome back to Replica Showcase, your go-to spot for the most detailed unboxing and review of top-tier replica fashion pieces. Today we are diving into a pieces that luxury and timeless style. The Louis Vuitton Initial Belt Monogram clips reversible in black and grey. The Louis Vuitton belt is nothing short of stunning. It features the brand's iconic monogram print on a grey eclipse canvas, giving it a modern and edgy vibe. Flip it over and you have got smooth black leather on the reverse side. Perfect for versatile. Whether you are going for a casual streetwear, something more refined, this belt fits both effort. A silver tone LV initial buckle is the cherry on top. It adds just the right amount of luxury shine, making the whole piece pop. One of the things I love most about this belt is that it is a unisex, which means it can easily elevate when dropped. This stitching material and weight feel premium. Today I am excited to introduce you to a top tier shopping destination that offer premium quality at unbeatable price. From trending clothing and stylish shoes to exclusive Nike, Adidas and AJ series collections, this store has it all. They also carry high-end bags, men's belt and women's belts with luxurious design that truly stand out. Perfect for sneakerhead and fashion lover alike, their variety is unmatched and always on point. This seller is reliable, offers secure ordering and ships fast worldwide. If you are ready to shop smart and look great, check out the full catalog at the link below. You can also reach out directly for any question or bulk order. Tap the description for all the links. Happy shopping and stay stylish. If you are interested in grabbing the Louis Vuitton belt or exploring their full catalog, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. Let me know in the comments what you think of these pieces. And do not forget to like, subscribe so you do not miss any of my unboxing review on Replica Showcase. See you in the next one.